Hey guys, Itchy Richie here. It's gonna scratch some more tickets for you. Alrighty guys, Movie Quote Monday has come to a close. We've got the tickets right here. We've got Cash Money, ticket number 43. Odds are 1 in 4.28. We got Rose Gold Riches. Odds are 1 in, or odds. Ticket number 73. Odds are 1 in 3.89. We got a 50x the cash. Ticket number 57. Odds of 1 in 4.07. And we got a bonus break the bank. Ticket number 16. Odds of 1 in 4.29. And let's do rose gold for our bonus question here. All right, let's start off with bonus break the bank. And our movie quote this week was, "So you're all astronauts on the same sort of Star Trek," which was from Star Trek First Contact. And this quote is the only time Star Trek is mentioned in the series. Which character said this quote? That is from Dr. Zephyrin Cochrane. And I don't remember which episode it was, but in Star Trek Next Generation, there was a line that Q said in Star Trek Next Generation. I think it was in the first episode. And he mentioned the trek through the stars, which came close, but this was the first time I'd ever mentioned Star Trek. So yeah, Star Trek First Contact, and then Zephyrin Cochrane was the answer there. So we have a bonus break the bank. So let's see. And I'm going to do this a little early because it is currently 1:51 in the morning. So I just got home a little while ago. And I'm thinking tomorrow when I wake up, I'm going to be trying to run out the door. So I figured I'd do this now. And there is the video right there. I'm going to do this now, and then I don't have to worry about trying to run out the door. So we copied, and I got way too many windows open. All right, comment picker. Alrighty, so paste that bad boy in there. Filter duplicates. Let's get the comments. 17. All right, let's see who the first winner is. All right, James Arita. Star Trek First Contact and Zephyrin Cochrane. All right, James Arita, this is your ticket here. Bonus break the bank up here, looking to get matching number. Or that, what are we looking for? Stack of bills right there is $50 instantly. Good luck, James. Numbers are 25 and 17. Now, anything you win $50 or less is yours 100%. Anything over 50, we split 50-50 with a max payout of $300. Man, I'm having all kind of technical difficulties tonight. So, alrighty. So this was James's ticket here. And that was a loser. Alrighty. So let's find our next one. Let's do 50x the cash. My phone is too full of apps. All right, so 50x the cash. All right, so Lucky Scratchers didn't have any either First Contact or the other one. So let's go on to the next one. Wow, Lucky Scratchers keeps popping up. Star Trek First Contact and Cochrane. Southern Fed Vapes 407. All right, Southern Fed Vapes 407. This is your ticket here. All right, you got 50x the cash. All right, good luck, Southern Fed Vapes. We got 44, 17, 31, 27, and 34. 12, 37, 18, 29, and 16. Can we find a winner? 40, 42, 48, 33 and 25. Got a 1 off. 20. 15. 13. We got a backwards 31. 46. 19. 9 and 3. 14. 32 and 43. 47. 39 and an 11. Alrighty, not a winner. Alrighty. Next up, we got Cash Money. Looking for those stars there. All right, next winner is Justin Walker, Star Trek First Contact. All right. Justin Walker, this is your ticket here. So we got 5, 9, 14, 34, and 13. 11 and 16. 10 and 25. 26. Can we find a star? Star be triple the prize. 9. 36. 21 and 31. I thought we had it, but that's a 13 up there. Got that lucky number 30. 37. 1 and 23. 6. 12 and 35. 24. 39 and 19. That is not a winner. Alrighty, so we are down to the bonus question. Bonus question, so it has to contain the Cochrane in there. Trash Panda Scratcher, Zephyrin Cochrane. Alright. Trash Panda Scratcher, this is your ticket here. Looking to get a matching number. Pot of gold symbol is the auto win. Gold bar is 5 times the prize. Good luck, Trash Panda Scratcher. Your numbers are 45, 43, 52, and 39. 47. 17. 9 and 23. 25. 20. 27. Got a 5. 44. We got a sandwich right between 45 and 43. 10. Got a 1. 33. Got ourselves a 30. Let me just raise that up a little bit. 16. 22. 19. 41. 31. 36 and 48. That is a loser. Well, I'm not surprised because of all the technical difficulties we have had on this video. I think I've had this video stop and start about 3 or 4 times. So, I'm going to try to splice 2 of these videos together. I've never spliced before, but we're going to see how that happens. But, anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. I'm sorry for the faulty part of this video. I guess my phone got full on storage or what have you. So, I'll fix that for next time. So, alrighty, guys. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. And like I said before, I don't know if it got in the video or not, but I'm doing this early because probably tomorrow when I wake up, I'm going to be running to kind of get out the door. So, it is currently like I said, it's 2 a.m. in the morning. So, I'm trying to get this video made so I can go to sleep. So, all right, guys. Y'all have a great day, and I'll talk to y'all later. Take care.